Assalamu alaikum friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, fresh spring garden Easter centerpiece decoration ideas I will share you. So friends, let's start today's video. Imagine a fresh spring garden right on your table. Soft flower, nature greenery, and gentle Easter touch. Creative and peaceful scene. This centerpiece feels fresh, alive, full of magic. Viewers, viewers, soft flower, nature greenery, and gentle Easter touch. Creative, a peaceful scene. This centerpiece feel fresh, alive, and full of spring magic. Nature, Easter, table decoration, nature tunes never go out of style. Warm white soft begins and natural rescue comes together. Beautifully acclaimed and timeless Easter centerpiece that feel cozy and elegant, cute and playful Easter centerpiece. Easter is all about joy and little smiles, cute bunnies, pastels, eggs, and cheerful colors make this centerpiece extra fun, perfect for creating spirits Easter memories with families. I hope viewers amazing and stylish ईस्टर सेंटरपीस डेकोरेशन आइडियाज आप लोगों को पसंद आए होंगे व्यूवर्स. So मज़ीद ऐसे यूनिक एंड स्टाइलिश क्रिसमस ईस्टर सेंटरपीस डेकोरेशन आइडियाज कैरी करने के लिए आप लोग हमारे चैनल के साथ टच में रहें व्यूवर्स. अगर आप अपनी चॉइस के मुताबिक यूनिक स्टाइलिश से अमेजिंग स्टाइलिश से होम डेकोरेशन से रिलेटेड आइडियाज़ कैरी करना चाहें तो आप लोग हमें फीडबैक देकर ज़रूर बताइएगा. सो इंशाल्लाह हम आपकी चॉइस के मुताबिक अमेजिंग स्टाइलिश से ईस्टर सेंटरपीस डेकोरेशन आइडियाज़ लाएंगे फ्रेंड्स. So viewers, outdoor Easter table centerpiece, fresh airs, blooming flowers, and sunshine. Easter outdoor is pure joy. This centerpiece blend nature and celebration, perfect for a beautiful spring gathering under the open sky. Vintage inspired Easter centerpiece, vintage charm meets Easter beauty, delicate details, soft colors, and timeless pieces tell a story of warmth and grace. A centerpiece that feels full of heart. Luxury Easter table setting. This Easter elegance takes center stage, refined floor and shine, and thoughtful details, creative and luxury look. Because every Easter tables deserve a touch of inspiration and viewers. Step, step into a world of these Easter pastel colors, playful eggs, and glitter surprise make every table magical, a centerpiece that spark joy and smiles for everyone. Friends and Angry Birds, Cozy Family, Easter Gathering. Easter is more than decoration, it's about moments together. A centerpiece filled with flowers, candles, and love sets the stage for memories. Celebrations bring with warm right on your tables. Minimalist Easter elegance. Minimalist